we're at the Hoy residence. We're going to swap out this shingle to assess the repairability of this roof and the pliability of the shingles. So this shingle was marked up by the adjuster. What we've done is we've unsealed all the bonding strips below it and above it so that it doesn't tear any other shingle apart. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the fasteners that are placed right about here. But the thing to note is the shingle above it is fastened right up here, which is the top of this shingle. So we're going to have to get both rows of fasteners out. With our pry bar, we're going to try to locate those. Okay, we've got that first row out. You can see, pull on the shingle, doesn't go. That's because of that top row. So, try to find those. Looks like we still got one in there. Alright, you can see that top row where it was fastened in. So, now if the fasteners didn't come out with them, they just pulled through the shingle. So we're going to have to get those out. You can see the shingles are lifted. Okay, it appears that we got them all out. We're going to put the shingle in and see if we have any resistance. All right, so we've got the new shingle in. So we're going to put in our 6 nails. 1 inch from the edge, and it's got to be just under that sealant strip. It can't be exposed, so I need enough access to get this nail in straight. Pull that one. With the limited access, it makes it hard to get a straight drive in. Give it another shot. Okay. Okay, so we've got our shingle in. Notice what's happened because of the pliability of the shingles is a lot of these granules are starting to come off up here. Barely wipe them away, which exposes the asphalt. The other issue we have is now the shingle above it has fastener holes from where we pulled those fasteners, which you can see. So that's where we pulled that fastener. Okay, so now this shingle and this shingle have to be replaced because it's got holes all the way along where it's supposed to be fastened. And that's going to happen to the shingles above it. We're in a valley, a woven valley, which is going to make it a little more difficult because a lot of these are nailed into the slope that slides under it. So that's going to be an additional issue. So we've got multiple issues here. This one repair is going to cause a bunch of extra repairs, and with the amount of areas damaged on this roof, it's going to be a substantial amount of damage from doing spot repairs.